Hi, welcome back to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and I'm back today with another awe inspiring story for all of you. Friends, I want to thank all those who are my subscribers on YouTube, Facebook, and WhatsApp from the bottom of my heart. And for those of you who have come on to the first time to this channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, let me give you a brief about this channel. Generous, Gracious, and Gallant was started in 2015 on Facebook. It's a private group by invite only, and today we have 830 plus members there. On WhatsApp, we have an additional 120 members, and this is again an by invite only group. On YouTube, which we started in May 2020, today we have about 387 subscribers. The reason for this growth is very simple. Our mission is crystal clear. Our mission is to change the thought process and strengthen the moral fiber of the present and coming generations. How do we achieve this? By sharing daily inspiration with you on Facebook and WhatsApp and sharing with you the stories of mankind at its very best on YouTube. In addition, I like to share with all of you that I have released my first book, True Stories of Mankind at its very best, which has 52 stories of mankind, of people setting an example of human values and principles. When people follow the eternal principles and values of living, then their success is assured. When people ignore the eternal values and principles of mankind, it's a slippery slope to failure. So, friends, please feel free to share these videos with your friends, family, and children and join our mission of ensuring the present and future generations live by the human values and principles. Coming to our story, our inspiration person, her name is Kathryn D. Sullivan. She is the first American woman to walk in space, and she is the first woman in the deepest known point in the ocean, making her the first person ever to have explored space and the deepest known point of the ocean. Inspirational? Want to hear more about her? Let's start from the very beginning. She was born on 3rd October 1951 at Peterson in New Jersey. In 1973, she received her Bachelor of Science degree, and 1978 she received a PhD in geology. Immediately after her PhD, she joined NASA. She was among the first women team being trained to become astronauts by NASA. She performed her EVA extravehicular activity and became the first American woman to do so during the Space Shuttle Challenger mission on 11 October 1984. She flew a total of 3 Space Shuttle missions and logged 532 hours in space. She left NASA in 1993. After leaving NASA, she became the chief scientist on the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, known as NOAA. 1996, she became the president and CEO of COSI Columbus, an interactive science center. 2004, she joined the National Science Board. 2006 to 2011, she was the director of Ohio State University. 4th May 2011, she was honored with the appointment to the US Senate. Thereafter, in 2020, she joined an expedition on the Triton submarines to the bottom of the Challenger Deep, which is the deepest known point in the ocean. She became the first woman to explore the deepest known point in the ocean and the first person to travel to both the Challenger Deep and space. Over her lifetime, she has received multiple awards, and I'm sure she will continue to be recognized by various and multiple other authorities as she goes forward. But of note is the 2014, she was honored to be among the Time 100 list, and recently on 23rd November 2020, she was honored to be placed among the BBC list of women. Friends, Catherine is a totally inspirational person, an inspiring woman, an icon of determination. She became the first American woman in space. She became the first woman to reach the deepest known point in the ocean in the Mariana Trench, which is known as the Challenger Deep. And she became the first person to travel to both the depths of the ocean and to space. Can you imagine her physical and mental toughness, her determination? Uh, People say they are inspired by the mental and physical toughness of astronauts. Here is an example, a woman to top it all, right? Who's setting standards by becoming the first person ever to travel to the depths of the ocean and to have explored space also. A total inspirational person. Friends, I'm sure you like the amazing videos which I share with you on inspirational persons. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you receive an update every time I release another awe inspirational video for you. I'm also a firm proponent of the concept of difference to one. Mankind is being ravaged by the COVID 19 virus, and many millions have lost their livelihoods, and many more have lost their lives. It is at such times that those of us who are relatively unaffected by this virus need to stand up and make a difference to someone who needs our help in our community. Your act of kindness will go a long way in ensuring that you are a COVID warrior. While we are at it, let me also tell you that you can only make a difference to someone else if you are safe first. So please follow all government safety norms, wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, apply sanitizers with over 70% alcohol, avoid crowded places, maintain social distancing of 6 feet always. You stay safe, stay healthy so you can help make a difference to someone else in your community. Friends, till we meet again with another awe inspiring video, good luck, all the best, stay safe.